it doesn't matter to me whether you've got $1 or $1 million. You're still a person, and everybody always needs something, advice or something. You know, nobody knows it all. Nobody has it all. So the first thing for me is I always want to know, how can I help you? Because that's what it boils down to. You're looking at me for some help or some knowledge, so I need to know what it is that you need. So when I start off with anybody and I get their figures and kind of get an idea of where they're at, the next question is, and almost definitely, and is always the fact, what can I do to help you? What can I do to help you get to the next level of investing? Or if it's just paying your own bills, or if it's something personal, or if it's, you know, something in positive thinking or motivation, or whatever it is, what is it that I can help you? And then I can kind of get a direction of which way to go with you. Okay, we're going to do a Black Friday special. Order my book if you haven't already. If you've already ordered it and read it, then you already qualify. But if you haven't ordered it, then go ahead and order it. You can order it on Amazon and show me that you've got the book and that you've read the book. You can private message me on Facebook or through this YouTube, and I will give you 30 minutes free coaching for a Black Friday special. Order the book, read it, and then get with me. Show me a picture of you with the book so that I know that you have it, and I'll give you a free 30-minute coaching class. And order it now. Go to Amazon, order. That's all it in a nutshell, basically.